As a project management expert, I often get asked about the communication capabilities of various platforms. One common question revolves around Wrike. Can you chat in Wrike? The short answer is yes, absolutely. However, understanding how Wrike facilitates communication and the nuances of its different communication features is crucial for maximizing its potential and fostering seamless collaboration within your project teams. Wrike isn't just a task management tool. It's designed to be a central hub for all project-related activities, and effective communication is a cornerstone of successful project execution. Instead of relying on scattered emails or separate messaging apps, Wrike integrates various communication methods directly within its platform, streamlining discussions and keeping all relevant information contextually linked. Let's delve deeper into the different ways you can chat and communicate within Wrike, exploring the benefits and best use cases for each. 1. Task and subtask comments, the heart of contextual communication. The most fundamental way to communicate in Wrike is through comments directly attached to tasks and subtasks. This is where the magic of contextual communication truly happens. Imagine a specific task, design mockups for homepage. Instead of sending an email thread back and forth about a particular design element, team members can leave comments directly on this task. This ensures that discussions are contextual. Every comment is directly related to the specific task at hand. Anyone viewing the task can immediately see the relevant discussions, decisions, and feedback without having to sift through endless emails. Information stays organized. All communication regarding a task is neatly organized within that task itself. This eliminates the risk of losing important information in overflowing inboxes. Accountability is clear. You can easily see who said what and when, fostering transparency and accountability within the team. Notifications keep everyone informed. When someone leaves a comment, relevant stakeholders, assignees, followers, project owners, receive notifications, ensuring they stay in the loop on important discussions. How to use task comments effectively. Ask specific questions. Instead of broad statements, ask clear and concise questions to elicit focused responses. Provide constructive feedback. Offer specific suggestions and explain your reasoning when providing feedback on someone's work. Tag relevant team members. Use the @ symbol followed by a team member's name to directly tag them in a comment and ensure they see it. This is particularly useful when you need a specific person's input. Attach relevant files. You can attach documents, images, or other files directly to comments, providing additional context or supporting your points. Use emojis sparingly. Emojis can add a touch of personality, but avoid overusing them in professional project communication. Keep it concise. While providing enough detail is important, aim for clear and concise communication to avoid overwhelming others. 2. Project and folder discussions. Broader conversations within a scope. Beyond individual tasks, Wrike also allows for discussions at the project and folder level. This feature is ideal for broader conversations that pertain to the entire project or a specific group of tasks within a folder. Project and folder discussions provide a space to share project-wide updates, announce milestones, changes in scope, or general project updates to all relevant team members. Brainstorm ideas. Facilitate brainstorming sessions related to the overall project strategy or specific aspects of a folder of tasks. Discuss dependencies. Address dependencies between different tasks or phases within the project. Raise general concerns. Provide a forum for team members to raise concerns or ask questions that aren't specific to a single task. Document high-level decisions. Record key decisions made at the project or folder level for future reference. How to leverage project and folder discussions. Clearly define the topic. Start a new discussion thread with a clear and informative subject line so everyone understands the purpose of the conversation. Keep the discussion focused. Encourage participants to stay on topic to avoid diluting the conversation. Summarize key outcomes. After a discussion, summarize any key decisions or action items to ensure everyone is on the same page. Use mentions effectively. Tag relevant project stakeholders to ensure they are aware of the discussion and can contribute. 3. Wrike integrate, connecting with external communication tools. While Wrike offers robust internal communication features, it also recognizes that teams often rely on other communication platforms. This is where Wrike Integrate comes into play. Wrike Integrate allows you to connect Wrike with various external tools, including popular messaging apps like Slack and Microsoft Teams. This integration enables you to receive Wrike notifications in your preferred chat platform, stay updated on task changes, comments, and other Wrike activities without constantly switching between applications. Create Wrike tasks from chat messages. Seamlessly turn important discussions or action items in your chat platform into actionable Wrike tasks. Share Wrike task information in chat channels. Easily share links to Wrike tasks or provide updates within your team's preferred communication channel. Benefits of integrating with external chat tools. Centralized information flow. Keep all project-related communication and task management connected, reducing the risk of information silos. Improved efficiency. Eliminate the need to manually copy and paste information between different platforms. Enhanced collaboration. Facilitate seamless communication and collaboration across different tools. Setting up integrations. Wrike provides straightforward integration options with popular chat platforms. Typically, this involves connecting your Wrike account with your Slack or Microsoft Teams workspace through Wrike's integration settings. Once configured, you can customize the types of notifications you want to receive and how you want to interact between the two platforms. 4. Proofing and approvals, focused feedback on visual assets. For projects involving visual assets like designs, mockups, or videos, Wrike's proofing and approvals feature offers a specialized communication channel. This feature allows reviewers to annotate directly on the asset, leave specific feedback by adding comments, shapes, and annotations directly onto the image or video frame, pinpoint areas for improvement, clearly indicate the exact areas that require attention, eliminating ambiguity, track revisions and feedback history, maintain a clear record of all feedback and revisions, ensuring everyone is working from the latest version. Streamline the approval process. Set up formal approval workflows to ensure that assets are reviewed and approved by the right stakeholders before moving forward. Why proofing and approvals are crucial for visual projects. Clear and visual feedback provides unambiguous feedback directly on the asset, reducing misunderstandings. Efficient review cycles streamlines the review and approval process, saving time and effort. Version control ensures that everyone is working on the correct version of the asset and that all feedback is tracked.